Thank you for joining me in this course. Hopefully I was able to illustrate some ways in which you can use Microsoft Office 365 as an educator. So, what are your next steps? First, if you don't already have access to Office 365, you should check to see if you're eligible for a free educator or student account. Take advantage of the benefits that come along with it, including a ton of storage space through Microsoft's OneDrive. If your institution has access to an Office 365 subscription, better yet, you can take advantage of the desktop apps and additional services. Check with an administrator to see if you have access. Next, a call to action. Begin creating. Utilize the ideas laid out in this course to help you as an educator, whether it's sharing resources with students through OneDrive, creating flipped classes using PowerPoint or Sway, creating smart art or visuals with Word, class notebooks with OneNote, or any other ideas. As you begin to utilize some of these strategies, you'll find ways to tweak them to fit your particular situation and discover even more ways to leverage the power of Microsoft Office. Also, if there's a specific Office app that you're interested in, I recommend checking out the other courses in our library that will go more in depth on how to use these specific programs. There are hundreds of Microsoft Office courses available. I also strongly recommend that you check out Microsoft Office Online, as I believe it's one of the most powerful tools for educators that's out there. Use it to help your students communicate, collaborate, and create inside and outside of the classroom. Finally, continue to think of innovative ways that you can use these applications to make your workflow more efficient and your instruction more effective. In this course, we've only scratched the surface regarding what these apps are capable of doing. Feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn or on Twitter, where my handle is @Schinkten. Thank you and have a great day.